Hay in 1920 by his regiment, the 16th. I believe this road was chosen because that building was the enlisted barracks. The memorial was damaged some years ago. It has been restored for the centennial of Private Hay's death. I'd like to thank the Trust for Governor's Island for supporting this work.
Good morning again, everyone. It is my distinct honor to rededicate this memorial to a soldier who is very much part of the history of the 16th Infantry Regiment. Private Hay entered the service from Glidden, Iowa. He joined the Army. He enlisted as soon as the war broke. America entered the war, and 3 weeks later he was on a boat to France. Early morning in November 3rd, 1917, the U.S. had just assumed the line after a long train-up. They were in their trenches, and the Germans attacked in great force to try to test the new troops. That morning, David Hay and 2 others were killed. They were the first 3 killed. He was last seen fighting hand-to-hand with the Germans with his bayonet and his rifle. He was found early that morning. He'd been shot under his right eye. His throat had been cut, but he had been last seen fighting to the end. His watch had stopped. The watch his mother had given him stopped at 2:40 a.m. We have pictures of the first 3 soldiers killed. The first 3 soldiers killed in World War I hang in our battalion headquarters, and we look at them often. And we think about soldiers like Private Hay. I will read you the remarks of a French general, a Brigadier General Bordeaux, that he read over the caskets of these 3 incredible soldiers. Because they're good words and I don't want to mess them up. They accepted to lead a hard and strenuous life. They had crossed the ocean despite great peril. They had taken their place on the front by our side. They have fallen facing the foe in a hard and desperate hand-to-hand fight. Honor to them, their families, their friends, their fellow citizens will be proud of them when they learn of their death. Men, these graves, the first to be dug in our national soil, are but a short distance from the enemy. They are a mark of the mighty hand of our allies, firmly clinging to the common task, confirming the will of the people and the Army of the United States to fight with us to the finish, ready to sacrifice as long as it will be necessary until the final victory. 116,500 American men would fall before the armistice on November 11th, 1918. That is almost 350 men killed every day that the Americans were on the Western Front. To unveil this monument, 2 of the finest soldiers that 116 has, Sergeant Major Worth, our Operations Sergeant Major, and First Sergeant McEnroy will now come forward to unveil the monument.
Thank you, everyone.